Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. And now, today's story. International Day of Combating Sand and Dust Storms theme. How to fight dust storms and save lives. Have you ever watched the sky turn brown in seconds, felt the dust cover your face, and wondered, what can I do? This is more than weather. It's a warning. And together, we can fight back. Stay with us till the end to hear how lives are being changed, and how you can help too. The International Day of Combating Sand and Dust Storms reminds us that nature is speaking, and we must listen. These storms are not just dry winds. They damage our health, destroy farms, pollute water, and slow down the progress of communities and nations. Individually, we can plant trees, reduce land degradation, protect our soil, and speak up. Even the smallest effort, like spreading awareness or supporting green spaces, can protect someone's health and home. As a society, when we work together, farmers, leaders, students, workers, we build stronger land and cleaner air. Communities that care for the land become safer, healthier, and more hopeful for the future. And for our nation, fighting sand and dust storms is part of building a strong, smart country. It means protecting agriculture, water, jobs, and the very ground we stand on. When we act now, we save lives later. Stories of impact. Testimony 1. Zara, farmer. For years, my crops kept failing. Dust storms came without warning. I was ready to give up. Then, a land restoration team came and taught us new farming methods. We planted trees around our fields. The air is clearer now, and my crops are growing again. Hope returned to my life. Just a quick break. Please, if you are enjoying this, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebrations. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimony 2. Adamu, schoolboy. Every time a dust storm came, I got sick and missed school. Then my school joined a green project. We planted trees and made dust barriers. Now, the air is cleaner, and I can play outside again without coughing. I feel like I helped protect my future. Thanking the unsung heroes, to the scientists, tree planters, environmental workers, teachers, and volunteers. You may not be on the news, but your work is saving lives. You fight daily to protect the land, air, and people. Thank you for being silent warriors for our future. If you haven't joined this movement yet, this is the time. Your voice, your hands, your ideas, they matter. Whether you're planting one tree or teaching one friend, you are part of the solution. Don't wait, be the change your land needs. Closing line. Happy International Day of Combating Sand and Dust Storms. Let's breathe cleaner, live better, and rise together. Let's raise our glasses to celebrate the unsung heroes. WHO work quietly behind the scenes. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 15th of July, World Skills Youth Day. The 18th of July, Nelson Mandela International Day. The 20th of July, World Chess Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.